Now with physics part, in question number 1, a car with 2000 kilogram mass moving with a speed 5 meters per second, its kinetic energy will be. To calculate kinetic energy Ke equals 1 over 2 mass times speed square. So it's 1 over 2 mass is 2000 times speed square 5 square. Half 2000 is only 1000 times 25, so 25,000 joule. So kinetic energy 1 over 2 mass times speed squared. Here what is the measurement of angle A? From reflection rule, angle X equals to angle A, and the angle X plus 25 is 90, so here angle X is 65. 90 minus 25 is 65. Angle A equals to 65 as the angle of incident equal to the angle of reflection. In question number 3, an object under the influence of two forces is at balance or at equilibrium of total force is 0 and total torque is 0. Summation F equals 0 and summation torque equals 0, so the body will be at equilibrium. Summation F equals 0 in transitional equilibrium. Sum torque equals 0 in rotational equilibrium. A resistance with 2 ohm and a potential difference 9 volt, the electrical current passes through it. So the electrical current I equals V over R from Ohm's law. So 9 divided by 2 is 4.5. Ohm's law, V equals IR, so I equal V divided by R. There is a limit to how precisely a particle position at momentum can stimulously measured. This is Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, or we can't know precisely the position and the velocity of the particle in the same time. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. Radian per second square is a unit of angular acceleration. Just radian is a unit of angular displacement. Radian per second is the unit of angular velocity. So radian per second square is a unit of angular acceleration. To prove a hypothesis, we must make experiment. A pin is placed 3 cm from a concave mirror with focal length 10 cm. At what distance is the image? Here concave, the pin is at 30, here 30 cm, and the focal length is 10, so the center of curvature is 20. Here is the object behind the center of curvature, so the image will be between 10 and 20. It will be 15. Or use 1 over F equals 1 over the I plus 1 over the O. 1 over 10 equals 1 over 30 plus 1 over x plus 1 over x. So 1 over 10 minus 1 over 30 will be 1 over 15. 1 over 15, the reciprocal is 15. Scattered of light, this question from chemistry also, it's Tyndall effect. Scattered of light in solution, Tyndall effect. The emission of an electron when electromagnetic radiation falls in an object, this photoelectric effect. This very important question, photoelectric effect. Energy is not be created or destroyed. Energy can't be created or destroyed, but transform from one form to another form. This scientific law. The unit of impulse, Newton per second, also kilogram meter per second. Unit of impulse, N.S. If the apparent weight is more than your weight, so the elevator is accelerated down. Here more is accelerated up, less accelerated down. Again, if the elevator down, so the apparent weight is less. If the accelerated up will be more, so here accelerated up. If the power is 5.5 and the voltage is 220, what is the electrical current? Power equal electrical current times voltage, so electrical current equal by power divided voltage. Power is 5.5 divided 220. Here multiply by 2, here multiply by 2, so 11, here 440. By 11, 1, by 11, 40, 1 over 40 is 0.025. The last question, the charge of atom equal to the number of electrons, the total number of electrons.